Microsoft Excel. Agenda for this video is sparklines. What are sparklines? So, in the last video, we understand how to make charts. Okay. In this video, we'll understand sparklines. So, charts are made when we have huge data sets and we have to include two to three columns we have to include. So that is all about making charts. But sparklines that fits inside individual cells in a sheet. Sparklines are used for revealing patterns in large data sets in a concise and highly visual way. Economic cycles, maximum and minimum value can all be represented with the help of sparklines. Okay, let's understand how to insert sparklines. So I will just show it to you on Excel so that it's absolutely clear to all of you. Okay, that I was just trying to make the sparkline. Let's get started. Suppose if you want the part for just the COGS part. Okay, so we'll select COGS. We'll go to Insert tab. We'll go to, so these are the sparklines. So these were the chart we understood. These are the sparklines: line, column, win or loss. Okay, COGS is selected. We'll see column. Location range is, we select any random. C. Okay, so this was the line sparkline. This is the column sparkline. Let's create the other one also. Insert, win or loss, location range. Okay. Okay. So this was the line, column, and this is win, loss. Okay. These are the three types of sparkline. So let's understand line. And we'll understand how to edit it, how to remove it, we can change the location, and it's absolutely clear after that. Okay, so this is the sparklines. Okay, so there are multiple ways of doing everything, as I told you before in the previous videos as well. So let's understand first part, how to do it. So right click on any chart. There's a name called sparklines. We can edit the location and the data. We can edit the single sparklines data. We can clear the selected sparklines. We can clear the selected sparkline groups. These are the things. Okay. There's one more thing that we can do is, I just want to show it to you that as well, so that it's clear for everybody and there is no doubt about it. Okay. So when you created a sparkline, see, there are a lot of things again, like what we did in chart. It's the same thing for sparkline as well. Okay, we can edit the data. Okay, we can change it. See, we can change it. Win or loss. We can keep it at column maybe. Chalo. Type: high point, low point, negative point, high point, low point, negative point. Now it's clear, I think. Okay, so this is a sparkline for a particular range. This was gross sales. I just changed the location. Okay, we can change that as well. So now we want to know the high point. So this is the highest point. Okay, So when we have large columns, right, and we want to create the sparkline for each one, each of them, and if the manager wants to know the high point for every sparkline, every column, so we can just click on high point for everything, and it will be there. Okay, we can select the low point also. Okay, this is the low point. It's very small, but yeah, it's the low point. You can select the high point and low point both together also. Okay, if there is any negative point, there's no negative point. So yeah, so the first point and the last point. See, this is the first point and the last point. Okay, you can change the design. You can change it. You can select from whatever thing you want. We can make it maybe black or again green maybe. Okay, you can change the sparkling color. Are you seeing? So these are the selected one. You can change it to any color you want to. Let's keep it at this. You can change the marker color. Okay. So these high point, low point, it was coming red. Okay. We can change the color for everything, and we can mention it at below, or if we can write it here that this high point means red color or something like that, so that it's clear for the person. Okay. You can change the color for everything. That is marker color. Okay, we can write the data access type. Just a second. Okay. Show access. Okay, plot data right to left. We can do that also. We can write data access type also. Okay, have you seen? Yeah, again let's go to insert tab, or edit tab for the sparkling part. You can move it as well. Oh, just a second, guys. So understood? Okay. Let me try creating one more sparkline. Okay, I will keep it here. Okay, I will just increase the size. Okay, this is the sparkline for manufacturing price. We can clear selected sparkline, clear selected sparkline groups. We can change it as we understood, can custom the value, enter the maximum value for the vertical axis. This is vertical and this is horizontal. Correct. This is horizontal. This is vertical. Same for sparkling. So, if we are doing it perfectly, there should be consistency in each sparkling that you're making. So, same for sparkling, same for all sparkling. So everything you don't have to make the changes again and again, and it will be done. And we can just edit. We can edit it. I just show it to you. We can go to sparkling again, edit single sparkline data. Suppose if you want this much only, from F15 to F31. So it's only from F15 to F31. Okay. So this is about sparkline. Let's go through if you are missing something. Let's understand. So sparkline tab can be found in the insert ribbon menu. We checked. After selecting the data row or column, users can choose the type of sparkline they want to create. Sparkline will be created and entered in adjacent row or column. Okay. Now let's understand See, I will just finish. If you want to write anything on the sparkline, we can do that also. See, coming like this. We can select, we can keep the location range as from here to here. Click on OK. We have to change it because location range can't be this. Oh, see, these are the error that we make on a daily basis. This is the location error, location, and we have selected the whole data again. Okay, see. We can increase, decrease the size, where we can increase, decrease the size from here also. So this is all about sparkline. Okay. So this is how it is done. So if you want to know more about it, please go through support.microsoft.com